Morning Bachawadi. Today weather is very good. So it is the reason that today we have too much class here. So students, welcome to everyone. Today I am going to start a very common and popular topic. Everyone knowing about that topic and everyone are responsible to make water pollution. Not visible. Okay, now we are good. Water pollution. So today in this video we will discuss about water pollution. Water pollution is one of the biggest problems for the world. Each and every country is suffering from the water pollution. So first introduction. An introduction, not more. Only we are going to discuss what is water pollution. Clear? So suppose, my dear students, it is a pond, and this pond is under area of picnic spot. Suppose it is present on picnic spot. So on picnic spot, when people come and enjoy here, and when they leave this place, then they throw something like cans, plastic bags, others waste material in that water, and then after that this pond's water becomes polluted water. Polluted water. Okay, so how pond water is polluted? When men throw their garbage, their waste, etc. in the pond. So previously, this water is neat and clean, but after mixing garbage here, it becomes polluted and considered as polluted water, and this phenomena is considered as water pollution. Why water pollution? Because normal water is suitable for drinking, but polluted waters is not suitable for drinking. So it is in introduction. It's mean in introduction only we discuss how neat and clean or pure water become polluted. So it is polluted by the human activities, some natural activities, etc. Okay. Second heading, objectives. Okay, in objectives, after taking this class, you are able to define water pollution. Able to define water pollution. You are able to know, able to explain causes of water pollution. Causes of water pollution. Third, able to know potable water and non-potable water, and at last measurements or how to control water pollution. Measurements is different. So here how to control water pollution. So in this video, we will focus on these 4 points. First, we are trying to understand the concepts of definition of water pollution. After that, what are the causes of water pollution? Third, what is the potable water and non-potable water? And at last, we will discuss how we control water pollution. It is very easy topic, everyone knowing about the water pollution. So first, now we are going to cover the portion of definition. So before cover the definition of water pollution, before cover the definition of water pollution, we are going to discuss about the water. Okay, so about water, we know that our earth is covered with 70% of water. Okay, water is universal solvent. Universal solvent. And water, this property. Water is universal solvent. Universal solvent means water. It is believed that if anything we are trying to dissolve in water, it will take some time, but after time, it's sure it will dissolve something that things. So water have maximum ability to dissolve things. So it is the reason it is known as universal solvents. Clear? And this property is responsible for water pollution. Reason, when we throw anything in water, then water try to dissolve that thing. And when water dissolves that thing in it, then water becomes polluted. Okay? So it is very important line, water is universal solvent. Clear? And this property of water is called Dubaditi. Clear? Now we are going to discuss about the water pollution. So, a water which lose their original identification after mixing pollutants. Okay, pollutants means just like plastics, sewage water, etc. Okay, water which lose their original identification, कि means जैसा water होता है वैसा नहीं होता है. After mixing pollutants, pollutants में जैसे swimming solid, sea water, plastics, some fertilizers, pesticides, etc. Okay, so a water which lose their original identification after mixing pollutants is known as polluted water. Polluted water, and this phenomenon is known as water pollution. Water pollution. Okay. So a water which lose their original identification after mixing pollutants. After mixing pollutants is known as polluted water, and this phenomenon is known as water pollution. Okay, what is the major difference between normal water and polluted water? So first main difference, normal water which we are able to drink. Okay, and when we are able to drink that water we consider potable water. But polluted water we are not able to drink. In polluted water, a lot of harmful disease. Polluted waters contain large amounts of bacteria, algae, etc. While normal or potable water does not contain like this organism. Okay. So it is a definition portion. So definition portion, if you want to take screenshots. So after definition, now we are going to cover sources which are responsible for the water pollution. Okay, source of water pollution. Source of water pollution. So first source, sewage water. Sewage water which directly through in river or pond. Second, when we wash our cloth, then detergents and soaps, foam directly we throw in rivers or pond. Third, farmers use fertilizers in their field, and these fertilizers through the rain it is mixed with the river water. Acid rain. Acid rain is one of the most major factors to pollute the water. How? You know that in pond some algae generated. If any ponds which show its surface green in color, it means that pond contains algae, and algae is decomposed by the help of bacteria, and these bacteria to decompose the algae they use huge amount of oxygen which is present in water, and when by the bacteria oxygen is used, as a result aquatic animals they are suffering. Aquatic animals suffering for lack of oxygen. As a result, they becomes dead. So acid rain, through acid rain, algae is generated in pond. They use the fertilizers by the help of acid rain. They also use the some acids, and they generated on the surface of the pond water. And when they dead, to decompose, bacteria use the oxygen of water. As a result, aquatic animals did not get the oxygen from the water, and finally they become dead. Industries. Industries send their hot water directly in the river. As a result, they are aquatic animals. They are not able to live in that hot water, and they become dead. At this time, more than 5,000 industries they directly send their hot water or fertilizers in the river water. As a result, our river becomes polluted. According to WWF, World Wide Fund, out of 10 largest polluted river, India is at the position of 6, and in India that river name is Ganga. So Ganga is the most polluted, the 10th polluted rivers. It is the part of 10th polluted rivers out of the world. To clean Ganga river in 1885, a plan launched by the government, that plan is known as Ganga Action Plan. Ganga Action Plan. Through this plan, they want to clean the Ganga river. At this time, our government again launched a program to clean the Ganga river. That plan name is Naman Ganga. Okay, but it is very difficult task. Our government given this task to Japanese companies, but they say no, we are not able to clean the Ganga river. So they leave the work and return back to his country. Other sources, some persons, they directly throw the dead bodies in water. Dead bodies in water of animals. So these are the sources, and through these sources our water becomes polluted. So they are known as pollutants. By these pollutants our water becomes polluted. Okay. How to remove the water pollution? So only you listen. So we remove water pollution. Industries first filtrate their water. After that they throw in river. Industries first they cool their warm water. After that they throw in river. Okay. Second, from the pond, as much as possible, clean the algae. As a result, their animals, they will get the good oxygen. Is to avoid the acid rains in the streets, which burn fossil fuels, they use the converter. That converter converts the harmful gases into again elements. Okay. Fertilizers, which are used by the farmers, it is used here. Farmers use bioorganic fertilizers, which is less harmful for the waters. Detergents and soaps, these things avoid to directly throw in river. Sewage water, try to manage all the sewage water that is not directly came in contact of river or ponds. Okay, and here dead bodies we don't throw in the rivers. And one more source here, facial, okay, faces. Some persons, okay, they eliminate their faces in the grounds, and when rain came, that faces also travel with water in the river and ponds. So they use pit latrines, etc. So these are the some common methods how to remove the water pollution, and some sources also given, that's how the water becomes polluted. It is very wide topics. If I am going to discuss one by one, if any source I am going to explain in detail, so it will take too much time and it is not a part of your syllabus. So for up to class 8 it is sufficient. Now I am going to explain the next topic. That topic is potable water. Okay, potable water. Okay, as clear from its name, P for potable, P for pure, and pure water we are able to drink. So a water which we use for drinking purpose. A water which we use for drinking purpose, or drinking, a water which we use for drinking is known as potable water. Potable water. Okay, why? And other words, in other hands, a water which we are not able to drink, known as non-potable water. Okay, some characteristics of that water. First, it is colorless, odorless, and odorless. It contains minerals. Third, it does not contain any germs, and it also contains gases, and these gases provides taste of that water. Okay. So it is about potable water. Today's topic is very easy and very common topic. So I know everyone knowing about this topic. So after that, if you are not knowing, if you feel any problem, then you write in comment section. Okay, I will make another video on that topic. So potable water is a water which is used for drinking, known as potable water. Potable water have some characteristics. It is colorless, odorless, and with taste, because here some gases are dissolved. It does not contain any germs. Clear? It contains minerals. It is colorless and odorless. So these topics we discussed today. Other topic we will cover in next video. So for today only this much.